To give points for behavior in ClassDojo, you first need to access the platform, which can be done by visiting the website or downloading the app. Once you've set up your account, you'll have access to the various features of the application. Giving points is a straightforward process that begins with logging into your teacher's dashboard. From there, you can select the class and the specific student you want to give points to. Each student has a range of skills that can be rewarded, such as participating, showing persistence, or demonstrating teamwork. To give a point, simply click on the relevant skill, and the student will receive a +1 for that behavior. This process allows you to easily recognize and reward positive behavior in your students. By following these steps, you can utilize ClassDojo to encourage good behavior and reinforce positive habits in your classroom.